Hindus and Muslims are the two eyes of the beautiful bride, that is Hindustan. Weakness of one of them will spoil the beauty of the bride.
Do not show the face of Islam to others. Instead, show your face as a follower of true Islam, representing knowledge, character, tolerance and pity.
बड़े बड़े हाकिम और आलिम, वलियो अब्दाल, नेको अक्लमंद, बहादुर नामवर एक गवार आदमी की सूरत में छुपे हुए होते हैं, मगर उनकी ये तमाम खूबियाँ उम्दा तालीम के ज़रिए ज़ाहिर होती है. फ्रॉम तहज़्ज़ुबुल अखलाक.
Education is the best legacy that a parent can leave for her child.
Life is full of surprise. Be prepared to see the opportunities that come our way.
Knowledge opens the door to opportunities, success, achievement and wealth.
The first requisite for the progress of a nation is the brotherhood and unity among sections of the society.
Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom.
सबसे बड़ा ऐब हमें खुदगर्जी का है और यही मुकद्दम सबब कौमी ज़िल्लत और नामुहज़्ज़ब होने का है. हम में से हर एक को ज़रूरी है कि रिफ़ाए आम का जोश अपने दिल में पैदा करे और यकीन जाने कि खुदगर्जी से तमाम कौम और उसके साथ अपनी भी बर्बादी होगी.
The Holy Quran will be in our right hand, natural science will be in our left hand, and crown of La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah will be on our head.
Education empowers knowledge, and knowledge is power.
Education isn't just about studying textbooks but also developing critical thinking and problem solving skills.
When a nation becomes devoid of art and learning, it invites poverty, and when poverty comes, it brings in its wake thousands of crime.
Without education, man is as though in a closed room. With education, he finds himself in the room with all the windows open outside the world.
Education doesn't merely mean academic knowledge, but it also developing a broader perspective and understanding the world.
It is only through education that one can learn to distinguish between wrong and right and discover the true purpose of life.
हम लोग आपस में किसी को हिंदू किसी को मुसलमान कहते हैं, मगर गैर मुल्क में नेटिव यानी हिंदुस्तानी कहलाते हैं. गैर मुल्क वाले खुदा बख्श और गंगाराम दोनों को हिंदुस्तानी कहते हैं. फ्रॉम तकरीर सर सैयद.
Oh, my dear children, you have reached a particular stage. And remember one thing, that when I undertook the task, there was criticism all around against me. Abuses were hurled upon me. Life had become so difficult for me that I aged before my age. I lost my hair, my eyesight, but not my vision. And my vision never dimmed. My determination never fell. And I have built this institution for you, and I am sure that you will carry forward the lights of this institution far and wide till the darkness disappears from all around.